welcome back to my show, National Birds. Rufus hornero is the national bird of Argentina. It is also called the red oven bird. Common raven is the national bird of Bhutan. Bhutanese kings wear the raven crown. Imperial Amazon is the national bird of Dominica. It is featured on the national flag of Dominica. Joe falcon is the national bird of Iceland. It is the largest falcon species. Kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. It is endemic to New Zealand and has the largest egg-to-body size ratio of all birds. Taiwan blue magpie is the national bird of Taiwan. It is endemic to Taiwan and is also called long-tailed mountain lady. Purple-crested toroco is the national bird of Eswatini. It is a frugivore. Saint Helena plover is the national bird of Saint Helena. It is called the wire bird due to its thin legs. Venezuelan troupial is the national bird of Venezuela. Troupial comes from the French word troupial meaning troop. Black-crowned crane is the national bird of Nigeria. It is a symbol of peace. Common kestrel is the national bird of Belgium. It is also called the Old World kestrel. Griffon vulture is one of the national birds of Serbia. Golden eagle is the other. Griffon vulture is also called the Eurasian griffon. Thank you for watching my show.